In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Analytics referral traffic source GA4. By the end, you'll be able to isolate just your referral traffic in Google Analytics 4 so you can see which external websites are sending visitors to your site. First, open your Google Analytics account and make sure you're in the correct GA4 property for the website you want to analyze. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Reports. This takes you out of the Home overview and into the reporting workspace where we can filter the data. Next, in the Reports area, choose Generate Leads. This is part of the Business Objectives collections in GA4 and Groups, together the reports most relevant to lead generation goals. Inside Generate Leads, click Traffic Acquisition. This report shows where your sessions come from at a high level by channel, which is exactly where we want to start. Now we'll narrow this report to only show referral traffic. At the top of the report, click Add Filter. A panel opens on the right where we can define exactly what we want to include. In the Dimension field, select Session Default Channel Group. This dimension classifies each session by channel, such as organic search, paid search, organic social, and referral. Below that, look for the Match Type setting and set it to Exactly Matches. Choosing Exactly Matches ensures the filter will only include the channel value we specify and won't mix in anything similar. In the Value field, select Referral. This tells GA4 to keep only sessions that were categorized under the referral channel, meaning the visitor arrived by clicking a link from another website that isn't a search engine or a known social platform. Once those selections are in place, click Apply. The report will refresh, and now the entire traffic acquisition table is filtered to show only your referral traffic. You should see metrics like sessions, engaged sessions, engagement rate, and conversions, all reflecting referral-only performance. A quick note on what you're seeing. Referral traffic is useful for understanding partnerships, mentions, directories, and any links from third-party sites that drive visitors to you. If you track key events as conversions, the conversions column will show how well those referrals are performing against your goals. You can also sort the table by sessions or conversions to highlight your strongest referral sources. That's it. By opening Reports, going to Generate Leads, selecting Traffic Acquisition, and applying a filter where Session Default Channel Group exactly matches referral, you've zeroed in on your GA4 referral traffic.